complete restoration of the energy balance of all 7 chakras. Day 4. We start meditation practice. Please sit straight and comfortable. Straighten your back. Put your hands on your knees. Turn the palms of your hands to the sky. Allow yourself to be in silence. Disconnect all means of communication. Let the world wait. Close your eyes and say it out loud. I am here and now. Breathe deeply and exhale deeply. Repeat this 3 times. Now, direct your attention to your perineal area and breathe deeply at the same time. Feel the energy of the earth as you breathe, filling your body and moving up through all the chakras of your body. When you exhale, the energy of the universe moves from the top of your head down the spine. A process happens when you breathe. The energy of the earth fills you. When you exhale, the energy of the universe cleanses you. It's like yin and yang. This is the balance of energy in your body. When you do this consciously, your body is energized and cleansed. Feel how the body comes to life, awakens. Feel each chakra bottom up and top down, filling and purifying with the energy of earth and space. Keep breathing and consciously filling yourself with the energy of earth and space. my dear friend. Consciously filling your body with the energy of the earth and the space will heal you. The clean energy of the universe brings new information, new ideas to your mind. The energy of the earth fills your physical body and motivates you to life, grounds you, helps you realize your earthly desires. The energy balance of earth and space in your body is very important. Keep doing your meditation practices and remember that you are not alone in this world. The universe loves and protects you.